Hello everyone, my name is Nano, and today I am going to continue the series of solving a Rubik's Cube beginner's method. And here's the second step of solving the first two layers. So, okay, let's scramble it up. Okay, so after you solving the cross, you're going to look for corners that can be put up into one of these four slots. So let's say I'm gonna put this one up. Okay, this one's easier. Let's do this one. So basically you're gonna align. So first, make sure that the side that's going to be at the bottom is not on the top, but it's on the side. And first, you're going to basically put like this one, so the two of these matching colors are matching. And you're basically gonna do this algorithm. If it's on the right, you're gonna do F R prime, F prime R, and it is inserted in the right slot. You do the same for the other ones. Let's say this one, it's placed correctly, and you do F R prime, F prime R. And let's say I do this one that matches this one. All you're gonna do is, if it's on the left, you can rotate the cube like this and face the blue to you and do R prime, F, R, F prime, also known as the sledgehammer. And F, R prime, F prime, R is also known as the hedge slammer. And the last one is here. So these two colors are matching. Put it on the right and do the sledgehammer to insert it in. There you go. You completed the blue side. Next step is to solve the centers here. The one that's beside the centers. So these four. So let's look for an edge piece at the bottom that has no green. I have this one. First, you're gonna see the front color and the top color. We're gonna put the piece on the top color's opposite, which is this. In this case is orange. We put it in the red face. And next step is we're gonna face this color to you, the center of this color, so it's yellow. Next, if this piece is on the right to you, you're gonna do L prime, U, L, and you can insert the pair. So this pair is inserted. This pair is paired up, not inserted, paired up, and you can insert it like normal. So you do sledgehammer or a hedge slammer, like that. Next one, this one is placed correctly because red is opposite orange, and then we're gonna face yellow center to you, and in this case it is on the left this time, and you're going to do this algorithm RU prime R prime, and then these two are matched up, and you can insert it by using a hedge slammer, and do the same for the other two. So I have this one, which I can do RU prime R prime, and then a hedge slammer to insert this piece. Finally, I have this one. This is, I think, is it the hardest configuration? Yes, it's the hardest configuration of all time. First, you're gonna bring the pair down and separate them. So you got this, you're gonna bring it up and bring it over, so this one's in the range of motion, and we bring it back. As we see that these two are separated, and we can insert this piece using a hedge slammer, and then bring this piece in here by putting in the right spot, and then doing RU prime R prime like this, and then insert it with a hedge slammer. There you go. We've solved the first two layers. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you want other people to solve the Rubik's Cube too, you can share this video and the previous video, which is the cross on top, and if you wanna like this video, just go ahead, just like it. And if you wanna keep up with my new videos, then you can subscribe. And that's it. Goodbye, everyone. Good luck solving the Rubik's Cube, and keep up with my new videos. Goodbye.